morning. It's much cooler today. It's currently 25 degrees, and because we're staying in a coastal town, you also get this sea breeze, which makes it even cooler. I do have a love-hate relationship with seaside towns. I love it in the sense that it reminds me of home, and hate it in the sense that it makes me miss home so much. Anyway, today is a travel day. We are heading to the north of Italy to a town called Ortisei. So it's a 4-hour journey from Rimini. Yeah, let's go. That's the train station just right up ahead. Locals. Let's see if our train is on board. So departures 10:30. Oh yeah, there. 10:34. I'm here really early because I want to make sure that if there's any interruptions, like when we were in Rome, I have enough time to make some adjustments. But it looks like everything is on time. Yeah, no disruptions, no delays or anything like that. It's a good start. I'm probably way too early, like an hour early. I don't care. I just sit here. Look around. So I'll go that way. This is kind of cool. Maybe we'll see here. It's empty. Literally no one here. So I have it reserved a seat. So by now it's like that is reserved from Bologna. That one is not. So we're staying here. That one isn't. So yeah, we'll just stay here. That's my seat next to the window. Space for my luggage. Backpack. Yeah, this is me in the next 4 hours. This train actually goes all the way down to Munich, which is why all the signs are in German. And I think this train is a German train anyway. I prepared for this journey though. I've got all the shows to watch. I've got that Toscana and then that documentary, and I've got Stranger Things, so I'm gonna watch Toscana. He said they have a restaurant, so I think we're gonna head down there. Can I stay here and order, or
you can order? Yes, you sit and
do I go here to order?
You can check here.
This is a nice restaurant. Look at that. I'm gonna sit here. These are the porridges. Oh, that's super nice. No. Arrived in Bolzano, but it's raining. Let's find an exit. Also that way. Oh god, it's raining. So first I need to find the cash machine so I can get money for the bus. Second is I need to find a bus. I've been complaining about the heat in Rome and in Florence. Here we are, the rain. Rain in Bolzano. I need to find a bus stop. I think I'm in the right place. So Google is saying it's bus 350 and then the last stop is planned and it's 328 and I can see that here. It says 350 plan N1 F100, I mean N1. So I'm hoping I'm in the right place. You can see my bus. Coming down. That's the bus. Four and a half hours on a train and then almost 2 hours on a bus. Here we are. We arrived in the Dolomites, Ortisei to be specific. It's raining, but the weather tomorrow looks promising. The hotel is 5-minute walk from here, so should be easy. So this is my room in Ortisei. If you want to support this channel, the best way is to click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm doing hikes up in the mountain tomorrow, so I will see you there. Kita kids, or as you say in Italy, a dopo!